According to the CDC, 36.8 million people worldwide are currently infected with HIV/AIDS. Because this disease lacks a cure, it is extremely crucial to acquire a firm understanding of its life cycle, especially because antiretroviral therapy medicines function by targeting specific stages. First, let's briefly go over the basics of HIV. HIV, otherwise known as a human immunodeficiency virus, is a retrovirus that slowly destroys the immune system and targets your body's helper T cells. Now, let's talk about the first stage, known as binding. Binding occurs as GP120 on the surface of the virus attaches to the CD4 antigen receptor on the host cell. Additionally, there are co-receptors, either CCR5 or CXCR4. The next stage is called fusion. In this stage, the HIV envelope and the CD4 membrane fuse together, resulting in the matrix core of the HIV entering the cell. After fusion comes reverse transcription. The enzyme reverse transcriptase is released and forms DNA from the viral RNA strands. The resulting DNA then makes its way to the nucleus of the host cell for the next step to occur. The process of integration begins as the enzyme integrase is released, allowing for the HIV to insert the newly formed viral DNA into the host cell's DNA. The now integrated DNA is called proviral DNA. Following integration is the replication stage. In this stage, HIV uses the host cell structures to produce long chains of viral polypeptides. It does so by transcribing and translating the viral DNA. In assembly, the proteins in HIV RNA move to the cell's surface and assemble into immature HIV. The HIV pushes itself out of the cell in the budding stage, while simultaneously grabbing the host cell's membrane to form the viral envelope. Protease comes in and cuts the polypeptides at 9 sites to create mature protein components. At this point, the HIV is fully formed and proceeds to infect more cells. The complex yet effective process HIV undergoes shows how quickly it spreads and should remind us to be responsible when making choices regarding next-level biology.